The German privacy legacy. Germany's history with state surveillance, from Stasi-era East Germany, shapes modern privacy laws. GDPR and strict data protection act as shields. But AI technologies, capable of facial recognition and predictive behavior analysis, challenge decades of cultural and legal norms. AI in public surveillance. Major cities pilot AI-enabled cameras that track movement patterns, detect anomalies, and identify faces. Munich alone reports testing over 500 AI cameras in public spaces. Citizens debate: safety or constant monitoring? Public acceptance is growing silently. AI in public surveillance. Major cities pilot AI-enabled cameras that track movement patterns, detect anomalies, and identify faces. Munich alone reports testing over 500 AI cameras in public spaces. Citizens debate: safety or constant monitoring? Public acceptance is growing silently. Corporate data collection. German corporations integrate AI to monitor employees' productivity. Software tracks emails, keystrokes, and project outputs. Efficiency rises. Yet workers feel their autonomy shrinking. Surveys show 72% of employees express concern over workplace AI surveillance. Legal battles begin. Privacy advocates file lawsuits against AI-based monitoring systems. Courts must balance innovation and rights. Germany fines tech companies millions for violations under GDPR, but enforcement struggles to keep pace with AI's rapid adoption. The face recognition controversy. Authorities test facial recognition at airports and train stations. Studies reveal a 5% false positive rate, affecting innocent citizens. Public backlash intensifies, with rallies demanding transparency. AI's promise of security clashes with privacy norms. AI predicting crime. Predictive policing. AI analyzes data from cameras, social media, and public records. Germany experiments in select regions. Critics warn about bias. Minority communities risk disproportionate targeting. Privacy versus security debates ignite online and offline. Citizens fight back. Encrypted messaging apps, VPNs, and anonymization tools see surging downloads in Germany. Public sentiment grows defensive. Citizens demand opt-out rights and transparency reports from companies and the government. Ethical dilemma. AI can detect criminal behavior patterns early, but ethical questions arise. Should preemptive measures target individuals? Germany's ethical committees debate AI morality. Philosophers and data scientists clash on whether predictive policing aligns with democratic values. The privacy versus efficiency paradox. Efficiency gains are undeniable: faster law enforcement, optimized traffic, reduced crime. Yet citizens feel the cost in personal freedom. Surveys reveal 65% of Germans worry about constant monitoring, but 70% acknowledge safety improvements. The struggle is real and unresolved. AI in German schools. Some German schools experiment with AI monitoring for students' safety and attendance. Cameras track student movement and detect behavioral anomalies. Privacy advocates raise alarms. Over 80% of parents worry their children's data could be misused. AI efficiency clashes with childhood privacy. Workplace surveillance. German companies implement AI to track employees' focus, breaks, and computer usage. A 2025 survey finds 68% of workers feel monitored constantly. Some argue it boosts productivity, but others claim it creates stress and distrust. How much oversight is too much? Smart city experiments. Hamburg and Frankfurt deploy AI to optimize traffic, reduce crime, and manage public utilities. Cameras analyze movement patterns and alert authorities. Citizens enjoy efficiency, yet 52% admit they feel uneasy about constant observation. Public benefit versus personal freedom remains contested. Data brokers and AI. Private companies collect German citizens' online activity, feeding AI algorithms for targeted ads and risk scoring. Germany's digital ad market grew 14% in 2025, fueled by AI-driven analytics. Citizens unknowingly trade privacy for convenience. Ethical concerns intensify. Government transparency issues. AI surveillance initiatives are often opaque. Germans demand transparency reports, yet less than 30% of municipalities publish full AI monitoring data. Critics argue citizens cannot consent to what they cannot see. Trust erodes as AI expands. Predictive policing backlash. Berlin police test AI to forecast crime hotspots. Civil rights groups protest. Predictive policing may reinforce bias. Studies show minority neighborhoods face 1.5x more alerts. Ethics and legality collide, sparking heated public debates. Facial recognition laws. Germany debates stricter facial recognition laws. Courts weigh public safety versus privacy rights. Activists demand complete bans in public spaces. Meanwhile, tech companies lobby to maintain data-driven AI operations. A national conflict is emerging. AI in healthcare monitoring. Hospitals use AI to track patients, predict emergencies, and analyze data streams. Efficiency improves outcomes. Yet German law mandates strict patient data consent. Ethical boards struggle. Save lives versus protect sensitive information. The citizen response, VPN usage, encrypted messaging, and ad blockers surge. 65% of Germans report using privacy tools regularly, signaling a population unwilling to trade freedom for convenience. Grassroots digital literacy campaigns spread nationwide. Psychological effects. Living under constant AI surveillance affects behavior. People self-censor, avoid public spaces, and alter routines. Psychologists warn about chilling effects. Germans debate, is AI safety worth the cost to mental freedom and autonomy? AI in transportation. AI monitors Germany's trains and buses to optimize schedules and detect anomalies. Real-time cameras prevent accidents and improve efficiency. Yet 45% of commuters admit feeling uneasy about constant surveillance. Convenience versus privacy is a growing daily conflict. Retail surveillance. Major German retailers implement AI-powered cameras to track shoppers' movements and detect shoplifting. Sales data shows 20% reduction in theft, but shoppers feel monitored. The line between safety and intrusion is shrinking. Public opinion split. Surveys reveal Germans are divided. 48% support AI surveillance for safety, 47% oppose it due to privacy concerns. Citizens debate online and offline. The conflict isn't abstract, it's personal, and daily life feels the tension. AI in government offices. AI streamlines administrative work, applications, permits, and records processed faster. Efficiency improves, yet citizens worry about who accesses personal data. Transparency remains a top demand in Germany's digital democracy. The hacker threat. As AI surveillance grows, cyberattacks increase. German authorities warn that AI systems are vulnerable, risking citizens' private information. Citizens question, can safety and privacy coexist? AI facial recognition in airports. Frankfurt Airport tests AI to identify suspicious behavior and track travelers. Security improves, but travelers debate, is convenience worth constant monitoring? Ethical dilemmas now reach every trip. AI in employment. Companies deploy AI to monitor productivity, analyze emails, and assign tasks. 68% of German employees report feeling performance anxiety. AI efficiency clashes with workplace morale. Education monitoring. AI tracks German students' performance and behavior. Schools use cameras and software for attendance and safety. Privacy advocates warn, long-term monitoring may affect creativity and independence. Children's futures hang in the balance. The ethics debate. German parliament debates AI regulation. Experts argue, 50% of AI surveillance projects violate ethical guidelines. Citizens demand stricter enforcement. The balance between innovation and freedom is at stake. Activists mobilize. Civil rights groups organize protests against AI surveillance. Online campaigns, petitions, and demonstrations grow nationwide. Germans fight to preserve autonomy in a world increasingly monitored by algorithms. AI in policing. German cities deploy AI to monitor public spaces for crime prevention. Cameras analyze patterns, alerting authorities to suspicious activity. Studies show AI alerts reduce petty crime by up to 15%, yet privacy groups warn citizens are under constant watch. Safety clashes with freedom in a nation that prizes both. Corporate AI spying. German companies use AI to track employee productivity, emails, and keystrokes. Surveys reveal 68% of workers feel stress under constant monitoring. Management praises efficiency, while employees feel trust eroding. Automation boosts output, but human dignity is the hidden cost. Predictive policing trials. Berlin and Hamburg test AI to predict crime hotspots. Minority neighborhoods face 1.5x more alerts, sparking public backlash. Civil rights activists demand transparency. Algorithms intended to improve safety may unintentionally discriminate. Ethical dilemmas now dominate national discussions. Public transit monitoring. AI cameras in trains and stations track passengers for safety and efficiency. Transit authorities claim reduced incidents, but 52% of commuters report feeling observed constantly. Citizens navigate a balance between security and personal privacy, questioning the price of convenience. Facial recognition debate. Facial recognition pilots spark legal battles. False positives cause arrests of innocent individuals. Courts examine legality under GDPR, while citizens demand accountability. Activists call for complete bans in public spaces, creating tension between innovation and Germany's deep-rooted privacy culture. AI in retail. AI monitors shopper behavior for theft prevention and marketing optimization. Retailers report a 20% drop in losses, yet consumers feel watched. Daily interactions with AI reshape behavior, and privacy advocates argue convenience is slowly eroding autonomy in the marketplace. Healthcare data AI. Hospitals use AI to track patient vitals and predict emergencies. Efficiency increases, but strict consent laws mandate opt-in data usage. Boards struggle to balance life-saving technology with ethical obligations. Patients must decide, trust AI or protect privacy. Cybersecurity threats. AI surveillance systems face hacking risks. German authorities warn data breaches could expose millions. Citizens question whether increased safety is worth potential exploitation. Privacy and security are locked in a paradoxical battle. Public sentiment. Surveys show Germans are divided. 48% support AI surveillance for safety, 47% oppose it for privacy reasons. Heated debates dominate media and social platforms. Public opinion is fractured, reflecting the tension between innovation and traditional values. The psychological toll. Continuous AI monitoring affects behavior. People self-censor, avoid certain areas, and change routines. Psychologists warn of chilling effects, where freedom of thought and movement diminishes. Germans now live in a society where observation shapes decisions daily. AI in government offices. German agencies deploy AI to process permits, applications, and public data efficiently. Efficiency rises, yet transparency is low. Only 30% of municipalities publish AI usage reports, leaving citizens unsure how data is used. Democracy struggles to keep pace with rapid AI adoption. Activists push back. Civil rights groups organize petitions, rallies, and digital campaigns. Public pressure forces policy reviews. Germans demand safeguards as AI expands. Surveys show 64% support citizen oversight committees, proving resistance grows alongside AI deployment. AI ethics committees. Germany establishes AI ethics boards to oversee surveillance and workplace monitoring. Decisions weigh efficiency against civil liberties. Experts report 50% of AI projects conflict with ethical guidelines, highlighting the tension between progress and privacy. Workplace anxiety. Employees monitored by AI report rising stress. Constant tracking and predictive evaluation cause mental strain. Surveys show 68% of German white-collar workers feel under pressure, illustrating the hidden human cost of AI productivity gains. Education monitoring. Schools deploy AI to track attendance, behavior, and performance. While safety improves, students experience self-censorship and pressure. Experts warn AI may reduce creativity. Parents and educators debate innovation or intrusion. Transportation and privacy. AI cameras on highways and buses optimize traffic and reduce accidents. Citizens benefit from efficiency, but 52% admit discomfort being continuously tracked. Society grapples with trade-offs between convenience and freedom.